heading to the airport. Homeward bound, back to Da Nang. I'm in Bangkok right now. Back to Da Nang soon. Eastbound towards Suvarnabhumi Airport in Bangkok on the airport link. This is so easy to get in and out of Bangkok on the airport link, but you have to fly into Suvarnabhumi and not Don Muang. Suvarnabhumi is gigantic. And you have to find your flight on this board to figure out which gate you check in at. And my flight is at 1350, and it's not even on the board yet. So I have to wait, and then figure out. It'll probably be G gate because all of the Vietnamese flights leaving here, you have to check through gate G, which is in here. And all these people standing right here are waiting in the line to go to Hanoi. So wander around, walk, get some exercise. I just had some green chicken curry and a coffee downstairs, way in the basement, before I climbed 4 floors up into this area. But you know, if you're in and out of Bangkok, this is the one to do because the train goes into the basement. You can get in and out of downtown so fast and so easy because of the train, and it's cheap and you're not stuck in traffic. Traffic is a nightmare. If you take a cab, make sure you give the cabbie 100, not 100,000, but 100 baht so he can pay the toll so you can take the toll road. Otherwise you'd be stuck in traffic for 3 hours. So yeah, if you get a cab to the airport, just give them 100 right up front and say, here, take the tolls, or take the tollway. So there are posters all over Suvarnabhumi for this. Kind of terrifying. Don't submit. There are people from everywhere, but I haven't seen a black person today, an African. Pretty interesting. This airport's just packed full of people and I haven't seen one African. Pretty wild. Hey, so going through passport control to leave Thailand, everything was automated. It's a little kiosk you walk up to, you put your passport face down, it scans it, your picture pops up, and the gate opens, and then you go through and you have to put your hand on a fingerprint reader and take off your glasses and look at a camera, and it takes a photo of you and it scans for data, and then the gate opens and lets you out. Wild. Welcome to 2025. I am here so early that the ticket agent didn't know what the gate was. So I have to keep checking the boards. So I'm gonna walk, get some steps in. Pretty wild. This airport is crazy wild. I love it. It's so cool. Looks like every other airport on the planet, at least every other new modern airport. So this is the S concourse, and we had to take a shuttle to get out here, a train way deep underground, jump on a train and come back. And I'm looking for 123, which is my flight to Da Nang, or the gate, S123. So I am in the boonies of the boonies. I'm at the far end of the far terminal. My gate's 123, S123, but not for a while. And there's some good food here, and fairly cheaply. Like chili cheese dogs at Dairy Queen. That sounds great. This airport is freaking huge. So this is kind of horrifying, but I'm starving and I don't want any carbs at all.
End of the walkway. ระวังสิ้นสุดทางล่วง End of the walkway. ระวังสิ้นสุดทางล่วง End of the walkway.
This airport is incredibly gigantic. I think it's the biggest airport I've certainly been in, I think. Here's the Gulf of Thailand, and pretty soon we will be heading east towards Da Nang. Coming into Da Nang.